The humble shipping pallet is one of the most underappreciated objects in everyday use. Almost everything you touch was on a pallet at one time. When we create build-your-own boat kits at Chesapeake Lightcraft, our guiding lights are beauty, functionality, and craftsmanship. Every single day we use pallets, or as we like to call them, transit platforms. Thus it was an obvious target for our team to create a better, more elegant transit platform. A pallet that you can build yourself from a kit. While we brought all of our computer-aided design and machining capability to this project, the object was always to celebrate craftsmanship. Thus, every part of the transit platform is made by hand. We chose to use mahogany for its strength and beauty, and cypress for its longevity as materials for our build-your-own transit platform kit. Lightweight, of course, was central to the design brief. CLC's transit platform weighs less than half the average pallet, saving fuel and thus helping to save the planet. Henry David Thoreau said that every nail driven should be as another rivet in the machine of the universe, you carrying on the work of the Creator. As you are drawn into this artistic undertaking, you'll find yourself reaching for hand tools rather than power tools, the better to immerse yourself in the creative expression of building a pallet. Kits for the CLC Transit Platform are available now. Do your part to make every object that you encounter in your daily life a thing of beauty, an expression of grace and craftsmanship.